Okay, guys, let's talk Schoology. You have used it before in some classes more than others, in mine just a little bit. In order to get to Schoology, you have two different options. Option one, go to your student portal, click on All Apps, scroll, and then find Schoology. Option two, if you search it, make sure you type Schoology DPS so that you go to the DPS Schoology site, or else you're not going to be able to log in where you're used to going. When you finally log into Schoology, you will see a page kind of like this one. Okay, you will have like an updated page, maybe some upcoming events and reminders. I sent out an update for all of you guys, so you should have gotten this both via email and Schoology. Next, you'll click on courses. We are still trying to get a single class for all of you. If there is that class, you will go to that one. For now, you would click on your respective class. We will use class 1-2 as an example. When you click on the course, you can see different files called The Wild, Online Learning Helpful Videos, The Narrative Life of Frederick Douglass, and A Raisin in the Sun. In the online learning videos, there's the welcome video, there's this video on how to use Schoology, and two more, how to use Google Classroom and how to use Google Meet. So if you need a little refresher, you need to learn all of what that is about, go ahead and check it out. I will be posting updates, so every once in a while you can go to updates and see what I have posted. You will probably be able to see your grades in Schoology. They will definitely be on Infinite Campus if not. If you want to see your other classmates and email them, you can go in here and you can click on a student and then email them, okay? What is most important about your class is the materials, okay? If you click on A Raisin in the Sun, which is our new unit, you will see the letter that I sent out to families. You will see the PDF version of the book. So if you did not come to school to pick up a hard copy, you can either download the PDF version or buy your own off of Amazon. When you click on the week at a glance pictures that will be posted, you'll see that for the week of the 6th through the 10th, you will take a test on the narrative life of Frederick Douglass, and then you will start building background on our new book, and then we will start reading it. So if you're someone like me who likes to see kind of big picture, where are we heading, what are we doing, this is what we are doing each week. So you can click on that and find out more details. From then, you get to move at your own pace. Okay? You are still expected to log in and do work every day, but let's say lesson 1 is really easy. Then you can do lessons 2, 3, 4 if you want to. You have to click on each individual lesson. Once you click on it, you will see slideshows, a Google form, and an exit ticket. You should pull all of these up in separate tabs. The slideshow. It will pull up here. If it doesn't, you can click on it to open it in a separate tab, but you will be able to go through slide by slide to figure out what you need. Okay, get your materials and links ready. This is the welcome video again. Then we will go over the lesson objective and agenda. We typically used to write this in our planners. Now you'll just watch the little cute video of me telling you what we're gonna do, okay? Then you'll start, okay? You'll watch videos if they're videos. You'll go to the form and fill out the questions if there are questions for you to answer, okay? You'll go through step by step, read the directions, and finish the material, okay? At the end of every day, you can contact me to get help by going to Google Meet. So that is what our slideshows look like. Our Google Forms. This will probably happen to you. You have to then click on the title and it'll bring you to the form. You need to put your name, my name, the class period. I guess it's not gonna, okay, so we'll do test, test, Taylor, 1, 2, next. Okay, so you just watched that video. Now, put an answer. You you will be graded for your answers. So do not do what I'm about to do, okay? Do not just write, I don't want to, or it was cool. Actually answer the question. Then, for the next thing, the poem you will read, you will answer the next questions. When you have done that, you will submit and I will grade this. Okay, so that's what we do for our Google Forms. Then you will have writing to do every day. Today is an exit ticket. You'll click on it. You'll see the directions. Okay, now up to you how you want to submit it. I can't show you what that looks like because I'm in teacher view, not student view, but you'll see a button right here that says submit. When you click on that, you can type directly into the document or you can upload a Google Doc that you have written in. Each lesson will look like this. You will have a slideshow, a form, and an exit ticket. So every day when you log in to do work, click on whatever lesson you're working on and finish it, okay? Anything that is hard is worth doing because we learn by taking risks. We learn by trying. I need you to stay strong and do the work. I'm here to help, so let me know how I can do that. Okay, good luck.